Hey there, YouTube friends. We're giving our bathroom a little makeover. And above our bathroom sink, we're going to install a specific knotty cedar planking that we got from Home Depot. You get 6 8-foot pieces in a package, and it costs about 26 bucks. And we're going to get to installing it right now. Had we started out with just smooth drywall, it would have been an easier project to do. But in our case, we had to do some demo work. We had to remove tile, remove a recessed cabinet, add a nailer, and fill the voids with 1/2 inch drywall. But once that was done, the project went real quick. Being that we're putting these cedar planks in a bathroom, we're going to have a lot of humidity. So I have to seal both sides of the planks, and I'm going to be using Minwax 1-coat polyurethane. And I'm just going to put on a thin coat. With the grain of the wood. And I'm going to be sure not to gack up the tongue and groove. And I'm also going to seal the sides. Alright, before I put up the first plank, I'm going to run a bead of caulk along the back. I'm going to start off by putting 2 pieces of the cedar together. I'm going to attach the tongue to the groove. And then with the groove side down, I'm going to lay it against the wall and snug it to the corner. I'm going to take my level over here and make sure I'm straight, which I am. And now, with my brad nailer, I am just going to secure it. Now what I noticed is if I drive 4 brad nails in and I have it too tight to the wall, it's hard to get the next groove in the tongue. So all I'm going to do is nail 2 down low at each end. And now I'll put the next one on, and that'll be easier to get it onto the tongue. So now I have to cut out these outlets. So I'm just going to mark where I need to cut. Now I'm going to use my multi-tool to make the cut. Before I nail it up, I'm just going to dry fit the frame. And you can see I have a 1/4 inch by 1/2 inch rabbet that I cut. And it's just going to fit right over those planks. I think that's a pretty good fit right there. I'll just nail it in. Here's a final look at the cedar backsplash accent wall that we did there with the new lighting. Please like and subscribe. Happy home improvement. See you.